Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a one bedroom, one bath manufactured home at lot H-9 in Edison Mobile Estates. Edison Mobile Estates is a land lease community based in Edison, New Jersey. So this house is already sold, but it's still great to give you guys a virtual tour so that you can see some of the houses that we build here in our communities. This house comes equipped with outside water and electric. You'll see it has the two stairs there, one that enters into the living room and the other a little bit further down the house. And here we'll go take a look inside. You've got this really spacious living room right here, and it brings in a ton of light from that front window there. Now all of the windows in this house are thermal pane, which means that they are really efficient at keeping cold air in during the summer and warm air in during the winter. That's just one of the few things in this house that contributes to allowing it to have the Energy Star certification. So here's the thermostat. This house has central air conditioning. And here's the kitchen. So these are all brand new Whirlpool appliances. And all of the appliances here are energy efficient, which again adds to that Energy Star certification. Here's the subway tile backsplash. I really like the cabinets here. I think the color looks great. Here's the sink, and this has a little nozzle that's extending. Here we have the fridge. Dishwasher. The stove oven combination. Microwave. And then beneath the oven, there's also a little heating tray. Here's the cabinets. Here we have the furnace, which is responsible for the central air conditioning and forced hot air. This is the view from that back door there. It's the electrical panel, and it's set up just like a regular house with 100 amps. Here's where you could place your stackable washer and dryer. Here is the bathroom. The countertop here is a different color from the one in the kitchen. Here you can see that different countertop. This one's black. And here's the shower. It has 2 seats in it. These glass bypass doors. Now we'll take a look at the bedroom. And you can see there's quite a lot of closet space in this room. Again, you got that, plenty of light from the window. Here we have the closets. And we give you 2 extra screens there. There's a wire rack in the closet here. Runs the whole length. And to the left there, that right here, is that Energy Star certification. And here you have the whole house shutoff valve. And lastly, this door right here is your water heater. So if you're interested in finding out more about one of these homes or buying one of these homes, please go to www.myhomeinedison.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to receiving updates about all of our homes and potentially owning one yourself. Thank you. Have a good day.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.